Hello and welcome to this Cossan tutorial, which is part of the Cossan training course on uncertainty quantification. This tutorial is about installing the Bayesian Network Toolbox in OpenCossan. My name is Diego Estrada Lugo and I'm a PhD student at the Institute for Risk and Uncertainty at the University of Liverpool. I'm also part of the Cossan working group. During this video, we are going to explain how to install the Bayesian Network Toolbox by switching to the development branch. From our last tutorial, we know how to download and install OpenCossan. In that video, we showed how to install the stable version of OpenCossan. Since the Bayesian Network Toolbox is currently in the development branch, we have to use Git to switch branches and download the modules needed to run our model. So here is our folder containing the files from the stable version of OpenCossan. Now what we need to do is switch to the development version. So for that, we open our command prompt, and then we go to the directory where we have installed OpenCossan. In this case, in my case, I changed the directory to desktop, and then OpenCossan. Okay, now I'm in the directory of OpenCossan. So to check in which branch we are, we just have to type git branch, and it's showing us that we are in the master branch, which is the stable version of OpenCossan. Now we need to switch to the development version. So to do that, we just have to type git switch development. Since this is the name that we have given to the branch where the development version is in OpenCossan. So as we can see here, we want to switch to this branch. So we should be able to see all these files in our local directory. Okay, so Git is going to start switching. Okay, now as we can see here, the files have changed and are the same ones as we have in the GitHub repository. Okay, so one important thing is that the Bayesian Network Toolbox of OpenCossan needs an extra repository, which is contained in the folder lib and then bnt. As we can see here, it is empty. But if we go to our GitHub repository, we can see that bnt is linked to another repository. Okay, so we want to get these files in order to run the inference in Bayesian Network Toolbox of OpenCossan. So to do that, we just have to type git submodule update -- init, and it should start cloning the files from the bnt repository. So it's going to take a while depending on your internet speed. I'm going to stop recording and then I will carry on when all the files are downloaded. Okay, now Git has finished cloning all the files from the bnt repository. So as we can see here, this folder is no longer empty. Now it has all the files for the bnt toolbox. So we have everything that we need to run our model in OpenCossan. So if we go to our current folder window in MATLAB, we can see that lib bnt has all the files needed. Okay, so in this tutorial we have shown how to install the development version of OpenCossan and also to download some modules needed in OpenCossan in order to run the Bayesian Network Toolbox for OpenCossan. In our next video, we are going to show how to build and use a Bayesian network model in OpenCossan. As always, if you have some problems launching the Bayesian network toolbox, you can contact us to our email address or directly to my personal email address. Happy Cossaning!